Hi guys, today we're going to draw a rice field in AutoCAD LT, which is the light version, do not have 3D, and we need to show that our field in 3D. Let's see if we can do that. So I'm gonna draw one line here which is gonna be 3 inches. Then I'm going to draw a line from the center to 24 inches, which is 2 feet, and then I'm gonna start drawing an arc, enter, which is going to be from the center of this line, F8, until here. So now I'm going to trim this line just for a few seconds, poly edit this arc with this line, so it's become one line, right? Moving it like F8 on point, not point, let's moving it to the end. I'm selecting the same line now. Yeah, so I'm gonna offset this line about 0.5 inside, another offset inside, twice 3. Okay, yeah, look like it's gonna look good. Now I'm gonna draw another line in the center, which is gonna be from here. I can draw to the center to the top. So if I can draw a few more lines, would be look better. Offset the same way. Okay. Now I'm going to trim the extra lines, TR, enter. So all this line gonna go away. And I'm gonna delete these lines too. So delete this line too, and actually let's see if I can make it look more fancy. F8. Trimming off extra lines. And extending these lines. One by one, no problem. Trim, select and delete, and I think we could. So I'm deleting this one, and now I need this center point to make area works, which is center point of this one. So I'm going to go to isometric view, SW isometric, and I am going to draw a circle here. Can I draw a circle? But circle is not drawing properly. It's coming in the different shape. If we go top view, we can't see where is the center. So I'm gonna go to the isometric again and see if I can draw a circle here on the bottom. I could. So I'm moving it up. Oops. Enter. Actually I do not need to move, so the circle I can just color it like red or yellow. Go to the top view, here it is. So anything else left there? Let me see if anything extra gonna give us trouble later. Looks good to me. Now top view, AR, enters everything, select, and hold shift and click to deselect the circle, then enter. rectangular polar, we're gonna go to the polar array, a specific center point. Here is the center point, and I need not 6. Yeah, 6 is good for now. Let's see how it's look. I'm gonna go isometric view. Look like, oh, the circle is still there. Look like we have our plant. Now we're going to, this is one piece, right? If we keep it one piece, it's gonna make our life hard. So I'm going to explode it. It's gonna be easy for AutoCAD to move on with the lines. Now let's do, so the first part is done, which is, here's our stuff, chemical stuff. I'm going to select all of them first, give them green color like plant, and then I'm gonna select, make only this part golden. Hey, I think it's look good. I'm gonna go to the isometric view, and here you go. Now I'm gonna go to the top view, zooming out. So we are going to create this whole lines as a block, otherwise array not gonna allow us to make as many array we want to. So let's create the block. B enter for block, name it plant, select object, select everything, enter, and click OK. So here's your block. Now AR, enter. I'm zooming out a little bit, select object, enter, rectangular, yes, column 40 is good, pressing tab. It's not moving, should we move? Okay, so I'm gonna click on the rows like 40. In between, it's automatic choose like 1 feet 5 inches. So I'm gonna make it like both of them similar. To do that, we can choose like 15, enter, and anything else? No. So I'm just gonna click on close array, and zooming out. Oops. So this is how it's look like if you watch from the top view, but it's all together. I don't want it together, because if you touch one, select all of them. Now I'm just going to press X from my keyboard, which is explode, enter. I hope it's gonna keep each of them like as a block. Yeah, see, block. Now I'm gonna go and click on the SW isometric view, and this is how it's look like. So you can see it's look like 3D, but we draw it in AutoCAD 2D, so LT version. Now if you want to create a PDF of it, you can. If you want to go to the front view, here is the front view, you can see. If you want to go to right or left, same view, nothing change. But if you go to SW isometric, you're gonna see like this one actually has SW isometric. This one I think NW isometric. SW means southwest and NW means northwest. So here is your plant. You can create a PDF, Control P, go to DWG to PDF. PC3 is available on every computer, as much I know, and select from here. Now do not select anything from there. As displayed, make it legacy wireframe, and display is, keep it as a display. click here, expand D 36/24, make it center. Yeah, center should be fine, and click on preview. And this is gonna look like this. Do you like it? I don't like it. I'm pressing escape again. Why I don't like it? Because look, I mean, they're touching each other. Let's see if we can go to any other view and see if they're not touching each other. They are touching each other. Not a good job, but you know what we did, it's not bad. Another thing, let me show you something else. So let's say we can take one of these as a block, copy it, go to SW isometric, okay, and you can copy it to like any direction you want, how many you want. So it's a block, it's not gonna, you know, spread. I'm deleting these and coming back to this one, and let's just keep it like this without creating any PDF. So you get my point. You can draw things in 2D application, but you can show it as a 3D. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and follow for more. Take care guys. See you on the next video.